Hello Car Magazine, my name is Alex Shahini and I'll be representing the magazine in the third season of the GR Cup. There have been two before, utilising a GR Yaris in the first season and a GR 86 in the second season. This is the HQ, which means all of the fun and good stuff happens here, and we will be using the GR Corolla for this season, which I'll be showing you guys now. Not too much has changed in the powertrain department, and that is because Toyota are retaining the 1.6 litre 3-cylinder motor that does come in the factory versions of this model, and that includes 221 kilowatts and 370 newton meters. With great power also does come great responsibility, and that is why for the season we will be using a bigger brake kit, which will include a larger disc and bigger calipers. That'll obviously help mitigate some brake fade throughout the racing. And because this is an all-wheel drive car and a race car, we will be using some Dunlop semi-slick tires. Being a race car, there are certain components that have been installed for safety and regulation. It is competing in the South African Racing League. Most obvious of those are the bolt-in roll cage, as well as the bucket seat and the 5-point harnesses. Those aren't things you can expect to find in the Toyota GR Corolla on your showroom floor. But in terms of the front row of seats, or seat in this scenario, not much has changed. You still have your infotainment display and your digital driver's display, which function as normal. But in terms of the rest of the interior, it is still quite loud. It's not going to win any awards for noise, vibrations and harshness. And that is because we've got a lot of sound deadening and insulation stripped out, as well as this very loud exhaust, which is part of the modifications imparted onto the powertrain.